Yes, please.
Try in the next run to go a little bit.
Okay.
Seconds late.
No, not Cleveland, no. Cleveland is next. Cleveland is blue. What happened? You went out just like
Ran
that?
out of fuel.
My name is Seth Gabriel Gomez,
How old are you?
13. It's my first rally.
First kilometer today in the race.
The first kilometer for me was a bit nervy, but once I got into a rhythm, we just kept going and going. It was very good actually.
From go-karting to rallying, the jump over, the flyover coming from...
Obviously from go-karting it's a lot of lines and it's circuit racing, so you're able to memorize, and it's a lot of overtaking here. Here is pick your line, go, and lines to pick and everything, and it's not memorizing the track, so it was a very good experience for me as a driver.
What's your plan in the future? You want to become Zambian champion or South African champion?
Yeah, that's the goal for me, is to follow in Dad's footsteps.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Thank you.
See you around, eh?